Yo, welcome back to more Andrew's class. Gonna do some Uber again. You know, the weather's been really nice out, and it's been slow. But still did a few deliveries at 11 when the boost is at 1.7. But still plenty of time of me just like walking around waiting for deliveries. So I guess my first hour online, not too bad. Got a decent amount of deliveries. But after 12, the boost went up to 2. So, I don't know. Kind of just waiting around, looking at stuff. And I actually didn't get any deliveries during 12. I was just walking around, looking at the other Uber guys that didn't have any work. So, I don't know. Just kind of walked through Kensington, looked at some stuff. And, yeah. Felt kind of burned by spending that whole hour with nothing, so I went offline, figured, I don't know. I already worked a decent amount this week, and I'm sure I'll work more during the weekend. So I wasn't really too concerned about it. Went home and relaxed for a while. And yeah, Wednesday, so it's also bike repair class. And every class we clean our bikes. My bike really needed it since I was biking around in the rain. And yeah, we also took apart a chain and like reassembled it and stuff, and looked at wheel hubs. And yeah, my bike is all cleaned up. I adjusted the derailleur again to be like nice. So that's nice. Nice. Have my derailleur working for real. So yeah, later everybody. Peace out.